time for Europe. My name is Krishna Ramachandran and I'm Head of Sales and Marketing at Cloud Analogy. Cloud Analogy is a premium gold partner to Salesforce, and we are participating in a number of events in Europe in June 2023. The events that we are going to be there include SaaStra Europa, Your Dreaming, T&W Conference, London Calling, and the World Tour in the last week in London. This is going to be a great experience for me and my team members to participate in all these activities and communicate with various business leaders who will be joining these events. We want to share the latest industry insights from our end, and we also want to learn a lot about the Salesforce ecosystem, the new things, the new developments that are happening in the Salesforce space, as well as other platforms. We will have the opportunity to expand not only our knowledge but also our network through relationships when we meet up with other experts and professionals. Okay, so let's meet. Who knows what opportunities a small conversation will bring. So please leave a date. I look forward to meeting all of you in June 2023. We will meet in England very soon. Thank you.